Imagine waking up to find Earth reduced to the size of a basketball. The familiar landscapes would shrink drastically, but the essence of our planet remains. Cities would become tiny dots, barely visible from a few feet away. The tallest skyscrapers now reduced to mere inches. How would we navigate this new world? The oceans, once vast and powerful, would turn into small puddles, leaving behind a ripple effect of change throughout the ecosystem. Airplanes and cars would be rendered useless. Our mode of transportation would transform completely into walking, or maybe something more imaginative. The atmosphere, critical to our survival, would be compressed. Oxygen levels would fluctuate, impacting all life forms dramatically. Would skyscrapers still stand? Probably. Yet they would no longer tower. They would be mere representations of their former selves, standing only as memories. Animals and plants would face immediate challenges. Entire ecosystems would struggle to adapt to these unprecedented changes, and some might vanish forever. Humans, too, would need to rethink our relationship with nature. What would become of agriculture or our cities? Sustainability would take on new meaning. Cultures and histories tied to our regions would evolve. Stories of nations and civilizations would shrink, transforming into legends told around the campfire. Global events would no longer be broadcast in real time. How would knowledge and information flow in a world where connectivity becomes a challenge? Youth would adapt with resilience. Creativity and innovation may thrive in this miniature version of Earth, prompting new ways to live and think. Although the universe around us remains vast, our perspective would change drastically, instilling a sense of humility about our place in the cosmos. In this new existence, we might learn to appreciate every small detail, discovering beauty in the simplicity that surrounds us every day. Finally, we would realize that regardless of size, the bonds of humanity, our dreams, and aspirations remain powerful, transcending space. What if Earth was just a basketball? Perhaps it would teach us that our planet is precious, deserving of love and care, no matter its size.